To add apps to your Apple Watch, you need to understand that the process is straightforward and can be done directly from the watch itself or through your iPhone. First, ensure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone via Bluetooth. On your Apple Watch, open the App Store app, which comes pre-installed on the device. Use the digital crown to scroll through the available apps or use Siri to search for specific apps. Browse through the featured apps or search for a specific app using the Search tab. Once you find an app you want to download, tap the Get button next to it. If the app is free, you will see the Get button. If it is paid, you will see the price. Enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate the download. The app will then be downloaded and installed on your Apple Watch. Alternatively, you can also install apps on your Apple Watch through your iPhone. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap the Available Apps tab. Here you will see a list of all the apps on your iPhone that are compatible with the Apple Watch. Find the app you want to install and toggle the switch next to it to install it on your Apple Watch. You can also configure app settings and notifications from this tab. Once you have installed an app on your Apple Watch, you can find it on the home screen. Tap the digital crown to go to the home screen and you will see all the installed apps. You can then tap on an app to open it. It is also a good idea to organize your apps into folders to keep your home screen clutter-free. To do this, long press on an app icon until it starts wiggling, then drag it onto another app to create a folder. Name the folder and add more apps to it. This way you can easily access your favorite apps and keep your home screen organized. By following these steps, you can easily add apps to your Apple Watch and start using them to track your fitness, monitor your notifications, and control your music playback, among other things.